not just events, they are reflections of spirits, teamwork, and creativity of young minds. Good morning, Nosegay. A heartwarming welcome to all present out here. It is a matter of great joy and pride for all of us to welcome to the annual function of Class 6th. A day filled with excitement, performances, and celebrations. It is not just a celebration of talent but also a reminder of a journey together, learning, growing, and sharing countless memories. I am Vidya Agarwal from Class 6M. Along with my classmates, feel honored to stand before you to express our heartfelt gratitude to Honorable MD Sir and respected Principal Ma'am for guiding us a balanced education that helps in improving us mentally, physically, and socially.
We thank our teachers who guide us like the stars in the sky, our parents who support us in our every step, and our friends who make school life fun and unforgettable. So get ready to enjoy some wonderful performances like group discussion, dance, music, poetry, drama, and more. All prepared with love and enthusiasm. Once again, we warmly welcome you all and hope you have a joyful time with us. Now, please stand up, join your hands, close your eyes, and get ready for your morning prayer.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments. By narrow domestic walls. Where the words come out from the depth of truth. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Into ever-widening thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father. Let my country awake.
Your mind is a garden, your thoughts are seed. You can grow flower or you can grow weeds. So Yashmit Hemka of our class is going to present the thought of the day. India is a land of diversity where people from different cultures, religions and languages come together in harmony. I repeat my thought. India is a land of diversity where people from different cultures, religions and languages come together in harmony. Thank you.
A good discussion is like a sympathy. Voice doesn't matter. Now some students of our class are going to present group discussion on the topic our country.
India has two names, Bharat and India. Bharat comes from the ancient Sanskrit texts and the legends of King Bharata. India comes from the river Sindhu, which foreigners named Indus, and over time the name India became common. India is the land of the oldest civilization. The Indus Valley civilization shows our rich culture and knowledge. Ancient Indian names made great contribution in science, art and education. Our history teaches us pride, wisdom and the value of tradition.
India had powerful kingdoms long ago like the Maurya Empire and the Gupta Empire, where learning, art, science, temples and trade grew a lot. These empires united many regions and laid foundation for culture, administration and scholarship.
India has made great progress in the field of science and technology. Our space agency ISRO has launched many successful missions like Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan, which have brought global recognition to our country. Great scientists like APJ Abdul Kalam and C.V. Raman have given our country great and outstanding contribution. The country is also rapidly growing in the field of science and technology. Science and technology are playing vital role to make India self-reliant, strong and modern.
India's total area is about 32,87,263 square kilometers, which make it one of the largest country in the world. Rajasthan is the largest state of India. Its total area is about 3,42,238 square kilometers. Goa is the smallest state of India. Its total area is about 3,702 square kilometers.
India has a huge population, over 1.4 billion people spread across city, state, coast, desert, hills and all kinds of places.
The population is a mix of youth, adult and elders full of energy and talent.
The country is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. All states have their own government. Territories are administered differently by the national government.
India recognized 22 scheduled languages in its constitution like Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, Marathi, Gujarati, etc. Many more dialects than mother tongue are used among people at home.
The official languages of the national government are Hindi and English. They are used for laws, administrations and communications between states.
The Indian geography is very varied. The Himalayas in the north, desert in the west, tropical coast in the south, plains and forests in many areas. Their climate was very cold to very hot, rain, monsoon, etc.
Culture in India is extremely diverse. Festival, food, cloth, dance, music are everywhere different. But the people of different religions, languages, traditions live together under one country. Education is growing fast in India. Many more children are going to school. Now colleges and universities are increasing. New way like digital learning help to reach remote places.
India is the largest democracy in the world. People choose their leaders through free and fair election. The government works for the welfare and the development of the country. Political parties help citizens express their ideas and opinions. Democracy gives every Indian right to speak, vote and participate.
India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world. Our country is strong in agriculture, industry and technology, which together form the backbone of our progress.
India has many symbols that shows what the country values. These include the national flag Tiranga, the national emblem Lion capital of Ashoka, the national anthem Jan Gan Man, the national bird peacock, the national animal Royal Bengal tiger, the national fruit mango, the national tree banyan, the national river Ganga and more.
India is famous for its ancient monuments and rich history. The Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, etc. tell us stories of pride. It is home to many religions. These monuments and faiths show our culture, unity and diversity. India also has challenges. Make sure every child get good education, helping poor people, protecting nature, and forgets cheating with pollution, health care and clean water for all.
The youth of our India is full of energy, dreams and ideas. They are the builders of a strong and modern nation. With knowledge, hard work and unity, they have a power to lead our nation to great heights. Our country future shines bright because of its young and dynamic generation.
In conclusion, India is a land of amazing diversity and history. While we remember and honor our past, we are also growth-minded, facing the present, building a bright future. So, as students, we can be proud of India and work hard to make it better every day. Thank you.
The purpose of drama is not to entertain, but to educate, to reflect and to inspire. So some students of our class are going to present a skit on the given topic. Good morning respected teachers and dear friends. Today we proudly present our skit, Our Country India.
India, a land of diversity, unity and glory. Let's begin this wonderful journey. Teacher enters the class.
Good morning children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sit down. Welcome to today's presentation on our country India. Let's learn about the diversity and unity of our great nation.
Ma'am, I'm so happy. Today we will know many new things about India.
Yes, India is such a special country. I'm excited to share about it. Our India is full of colors, culture and tradition. I am proud to be an Indian. Let's start this wonderful journey together. Every child is curious to know about our beloved country.
Let's hear what our friends have to say.
Wow, I'm so excited. I want to know everything about India.
Yes, let's start our journey through India's geography.
India stretches from the Himalayas in north to the Indian Ocean in the south.
And from the Thar Desert in the west to the Seven Sisters in the northeast. India has 28 states and 8 union territories with its own culture and festivals. Like Rajasthan is famous for deserts, Kerala for backwater, Punjab for 5 rivers,
Satluj, Ravi, Vyas, Chenab, Jhelum, all states are unique here.
Excellent children, India's geography is truly diverse.
Friends, our country's history is full of sacrifices and bravery. India is not only rich in geography but also in culture.
We speak many languages, but we are united as one country. Festivals like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Pongal, and Christmas bring everyone together.
Diwali lights up homes and Holi fills the air with colors. Eid is about sharing sweets and Pongal celebrates harvest. Christmas is celebrated to mark the birth of Jesus Christ.
Yes, children, our festival reflect the richness of our culture.
Friends, our country's history is full of sacrifices and bravery. Let's recall the freedom struggle and the leaders who gave us independence. Brave leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmibai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, etc. and many more freedom fighters fought for our freedom.
Mahatma Gandhi taught us non-violence. Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, etc. fought fearlessly for freedom.
Our country became independent on 15th August 1947, celebrated every year with parades and flag hosting.
Yes, definitely children, the sacrifices of freedom fighter will always be remembered.
Every country has its own identity.
Let's look at India's proud national symbols.
Our national symbols are the tricolor, tiger, peacock, lotus, and the anthem Jan Gan Man.
The tiger shows strength and the lotus is pure above mud. And the peacock shows our colorful culture.
Our flag stands for peace, courage, and progress.
Very good children, these symbols represent the essence of our nation. Children, now we will learn some things about our Indian Army. So Lieutenant Tanmay Ahuja will guide us about the same.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Today I will tell you about the Indian Army. India has three main armed forces: the Indian Army, the Indian Navy, and the Indian Air Force. The Indian Army is the largest among them and protects our country on land. It was formed on 1st April 1895 and is known for its bravery, discipline, and patriotism. The Indian soldiers guard our borders day and night to keep us safe.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us about the Indian Army today.
Thank you, students.
Friends, today we learned about India's geography, culture, history, symbols, and Indian armies.
And the most important message is we learned unity in diversity is the strength of India.
India is a land of pride.
So let's start a session.
Thank you.
Now, let's invite few girls of our class for classical dance performance.
त्रिगड़ धा 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 त्रिगड़ त्रिगड़ धा धा त्रिगड़ 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 धी त्रिगड़ धा त्रिगड़ 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 धी त्रिगड़ धा
A single note played with feeling can touch more hearts than spoken words. Now Varnika Sharma of our class is going to present an instrumental performance.
A poem starts in delight and ends in wisdom. So now some students of our class are going to recite an Hindi poem.
भारत मेरा प्यारा देश, सपनों सा सुंदर परिवेश, उत्तर में हिमगिरी मुस्काता, दक्षिण में सागर गुनगुनाता।
पूरब में उगता सूरज हंसे, पश्चिम में डूबे सुनहरी किरणें, हर दिशा में छिपा उजियारा, भारत माँ का रूप न्यारा।
गंगा यमुना सरस्वती धारा सींचे ये पावन अंग हमारा, खेतों में लहराए हरियाली, गांवों में खुशियों की लाली।
कश्मीर का गुलशन महकता, राजस्थान रेत संग गुनगुनाता, केरल की नारियल की छाप, असम की चाय का बहता भाव।
हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सब रहते मिलकर भाई भाई, त्योहारों की रंगीन छटा, एकता का अनोखा पता।
सैनिक सीमा पर बलिदानी, माँ के लिए जान कुर्बानी।
हम बच्चे इसका अभिमान रखेंगे, ऊंचा देश महान।
धन्यवाद।
Poetry is the rhythmical creation of beauty in words. Now some students of our class are going to present an English poem.
India is my motherland with rivers, mountains, golden sand. From Kashmir down to Kanyakumari, it shines with love like a bright fairy. So many people, so many tongues, songs of freedom always sung. Holi, Diwali, Eid we share, living together with love and care. Brave soldiers guard both night and day, keeping all the threats away. We salute their courage too, for everything they bravely do. With culture deep and history old, India's heart strong and bold. I love my country, proud to say, I will serve it every day. Thank you.
Music gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to imagination and life to everything. Now with Harsh Sharma of our class is going to present a Hindi song.
with the sound of the heart, now Vidushi Bhardwaj of our class is going to present an English song.
It's just a night, so watch me break the fire, sit the night light. Shoes on, get to make a rock and roll, let's rock and roll. Kick on and kick the drum like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump back to the private room. Ding dong, call me on my phone, iced tea and again I bring. This is getting heavy, getting rid of these. I'm ready, whoop. Let's do this money, yeah, just beat to take my money. This overload, I'm into that, I'm ready to go. I'm a diamond, you know I go. So let's go. So watch me take the lights, set the night light. Shining through the city with the little pumpkin glow. Light up like the dynamite. Johnny friends, join the crowd, whoever come along. Word up, talk the talk, just move a little on. There are nights, skies, the lights, so dance and sit in the room. Ladies and gentlemen, under the medicine solution, I'm hiding the room. This is getting heavy, getting the bass boom. I'm ready to like this with us money. Yeah, that's me to take my money. This overload, I'm into that. I'm ready to go. I'm you know I go. Let's go. It's just tonight. So watch me break the fire, set the night light. Shining through the city with the little pumpkin too. Light it up like a dynamite. Oh, da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Thank you.
In group dance, every step tells a story and every dancer became a part of the poem. Now let's enjoy group dance performance.
रोशनी का कोई दरिया तो है, हाँ कहीं पे जरूर रोशनी का